evening, everybody. We are from Group 6. Some procedure text about how to make Gelas or how to make instant. But before that, we will introduce our team. I am Elia Usnyati, and this is my friend. I'm Nurlela as a model, and I'm Yusuf Abidin as a cameraman. Okay, how to make Gelas? What should we prepare? The first is the noodle itself, hot water, a glass, and also spoon. The step how to make it, pay attention. Firstly, put the noodle into a glass. Then add the seasoning. Next, pour the hot water into the glass, about 150 milliliters. Then stir it well. And wait about 3 minutes to make the noodle soft. Finally, the Gelas is ready to serve. That's all our presentation. It's very easy. You can make it at home. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.